Today I want to share with us a very good scrub.
I'm grateful for my thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so
Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. J. If this is the first time you're getting to watch my videos, stopping by, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, ask your questions, share my videos. You can also contact me for free consultation. Today I want to share with us a very good scrub. This scrub takes care of your skin glow. I have used it over time. I have given to friends and they love it. It helps in skin glow. It repairs the skin. The main thing about the scrub is that it contains collagen, it contains moringa, it contains cinnamon. These antioxidants are very beautiful for our skin. And don't forget that moringa contains behemic acid, which is a very strong active ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. So let's go back to my working station. So my working equipment, they are all sterilized. If you want to make this, make sure you sterilize your equipment. This is oatmeal powder. So you can get this from your grocery store, blend it. I'll be using just half cup of it, half cup of my oatmeal powder. I'll use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I'm adding all of these powders in one bowl. Using 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Like I said earlier, that moringa has some properties that are very good for anti-aging. It also has some properties of vitamin C. And vitamin C is an antioxidant too, which triggers the production of collagen. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of collagen powder. Then I'll be adding a tablespoon of honey. I'll be adding a tablespoon of my wheat germ oil. This oil repairs the skin. This scrub I'm making, people with skin damages too can use it. It repairs the skin. It builds up collagen. So this is my carrot seed oil. I'll just add a few drops, about 5. You know, carrot is known for its glowing property. It contains carotene. I'll stir this together and see the consistency. Also add half cup of sugar. So you can also use brown sugar if you have it at home. Use brown sugar. Then I'm going to be adding my castor soup. 1, 2 tablespoons. I don't want this scrub to be extremely watery, so you stir first to see if you like the consistency. If you're not comfortable with the consistency, like it is here, you can now add up more of the castor soup. But make sure you gauge your measurements. So this is my Repair Collagen Body Scrub. This is my Repair Collagen Body Scrub. I'm going to be using this scrub twice in a week. So for people with skin damages, people that have a lot of that their skins are thinned out, please, you need to use this scrub as it repairs your skin. It contains collagen. So people with skin damages that have actually used a lot of hydroquinone, when you see most of them, you see that they have melasma, most of them have hyperpigmentation. Please, you need this Repair Collagen Scrub. It is beautiful. While it's repairing your skin, it will also glow your skin and trigger the production of collagen. Thank you, lovelies, for watching my videos.
I'm grateful for my